Eternal Love is a state-of-the-art configurator that offers a unique opportunity for users to create personalized 3D printable heart models. The configurator is available exclusively to Silver and Gold plan subscribers, enabling them to express their affection in a truly distinctive way. Our subscribers gain access to a plethora of design configurators that we have already built and are continuously expanding. What truly sets this service apart is its ability to seamlessly integrate the names of loved ones into the heart model's design, resulting in a one-of-a-kind, sentimental masterpiece. Users also have the option to produce half of the model, making it easier to 3D print this piece in two parts and subsequently attach them together using a visually appealing thread that the configurator generates attachment holes for automatically. With the Eternal Love configurator, our subscribers can effortlessly craft tokens of affection and celebration, whether it's for a special occasion, a gift, lasting memorial, or simply to convey love and appreciation. It's a seamless fusion of technology and sentiment, exclusively designed for those who treasure meaningful 3D printed expressions of love and connection.